The legal profession is constantly evolving, and it can be difficult for lawyers to keep up with the latest changes. That's where our new Esquire Institute comes in. We offer online courses that teach lawyers how to practice in different areas of the law. Our courses are taught by seasoned and reputable lawyers, and they cover everything from family law to intellectual property. Plus, our platform is easy to use, and it's compatible with all devices. So if you're looking to expand your knowledge of the law, our platform is the perfect choice. Okay, here we go. Medical malpractice cases in California are handled in a specific manner, with certain steps that must be followed in order to successfully pursue a claim. Here is a step-by-step guide on how a medical malpractice case is handled in California. Consult with a medical malpractice attorney. Gather evidence. In order to build a strong case, you will need to gather evidence to support your claim. This may include medical records, expert witness testimony, and any other relevant documentation. File a 90-day notice, then a complaint. Discovery. If your complaint is deemed to have merit, the case will move into the discovery phase. During this time, both sides will gather additional evidence and conduct depositions of witnesses. Trial. If the case is not resolved through settlement or other means, it will go to trial. A jury will hear the evidence and determine whether the defendant is liable for medical malpractice.
There are many different types of medical errors that can give rise to a medical malpractice lawsuit. Some of the most common medical malpractice lawsuits are based on misdiagnosis or failure to diagnose. This occurs when a healthcare provider fails to accurately diagnose a medical condition, leading to delays in treatment or incorrect treatment. Surgical errors. This includes mistakes made during surgery, such as operating on the wrong body part or leaving surgical instruments inside a patient's body. Birth injuries. These types of cases involve injuries to a newborn or mother during the labor and delivery process, such as cerebral palsy or shoulder dystocia. Anesthesia errors. Anesthesiologists are responsible for administering and managing the use of anesthesia during medical procedures. Mistakes with anesthesia can lead to serious injuries or death. Prescription errors. These cases involve mistakes made when prescribing or administering medication, such as prescribing the wrong medication or incorrect dosages. Nursing home abuse or neglect. This includes cases where elderly or vulnerable patients are subjected to neglect or abuse in a nursing home setting.
As for the changes to MyCRA, the Medical Injury Compensation Reform Act, in 2023, it is currently unclear what these changes may be. MyCRA is a state law that imposes caps on certain types of damages that can be awarded in medical malpractice cases in California. It is possible that these caps may be adjusted or modified in the future, but it is important to consult with an attorney to stay up to date on any potential changes to the law.